So hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today I'll be teaching you how to put digital creator on your Facebook profile. So it's pretty simple to do and I'll teach you how to do it. So basically here in your profile, you'll have to go to your menu. You go to your own profile, then you go here to these three buttons right here in the top right corner, as you can see, and there you go. So right here you will see a variety of options you can choose from, but here you'll have to go from privacy center. So in privacy center, after that you can actually just set it there where it will make your creator profile. You can on it right there where you can actually also make money from Facebook. So basically that's just how you do it. It's pretty simple to do, and from there it will activate and it will show in your profile right there that you're a digital creator when you view at your profile or others view your profile. And that's just basically how you do it. That is how you put a digital creator on your Facebook profile. So if you like this video, thank you for watching and see you again next time.